Disney's Lady and the Tramp. What's that noise? It was a dark night, and the weather was wild. Lady and Tramp were alone in the house. All of a sudden, Lady heard a noise. "What's that noise?" Lady asked Tramp. "It's just the floor creaking," Tramp said. "These old houses always creak." Lady wasn't sure he was right, but Tramp said, "Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." Tramp shut his eyes, but Lady couldn't sleep. "I must watch the house while everyone is out," Lady said to herself. Then Lady heard another noise. This time it sounded like a whisper. Lady shook Tramp awake. "What's that noise?" Lady asked. "That noise?" asked Tramp. "That is just the wind. Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." Lady stood watch again. She heard another noise. Bang! Crash! Was there someone outside the house? "What's that noise?" Lady asked Tramp. Tramp said, "That is just thunder. Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." "I hope you are right," Lady said. "We are in charge of keeping the house safe tonight." Plink! Plink! Lady heard another sound. Was there someone inside the house? Lady ran to the kitchen. She barked, and Tramp ran in. "What's that noise?" Lady asked. "That is just the rain," Tramp said. "It is falling into that pot." Tramp said, "Lady, we are safe and sound. I am the bravest dog around." All of a sudden, the windows began to shake. Lady heard so many noises. Then she heard a loud bark. Ruff, ruff, ruff. It was Tramp. Lady ran into the next room. She found Tramp on top of the piano. He was looking at a big shadow on the wall. "What is that?" Tramp asked. Lady knew she had to be brave. There was something in the house. She had to find out what it was. Lady quietly walked across the floor. "I must be brave," Lady said to herself. She looked behind the door. It was nothing scary at all. It was a teeny tiny bug. Tramp was still on the piano. "It's just a tiny bug," Lady said. "Don't be afraid." "Afraid? I wasn't afraid," Tramp said. "I just wanted to make sure you were being a good watchdog." "Tramp, you were right all along," Lady said. "We are safe and sound." "That's right," Tramp said. "We are the two bravest dogs around." The end.